Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up the Virgin Media Wi-Fi pod. First, install the Virgin Media Connect app on your smartphone. This app is needed for setup, monitoring, and troubleshooting. There are two types: white pod, simple plug-and-play mesh extenders, and black pod includes extra options like WPS. Plug the pod into a wall socket halfway between your hub and the area with weak Wi-Fi. Keep it in an open, upright place, avoid hiding it behind furniture or near thick walls. When unplugging, the pod's light will pulse while connecting. Once paired, the light goes off white pod or stays dim or steady black pod. Give the pod up to 24 hours to fully optimize itself in your network. Avoid moving it during this period. Then use the Virgin Media Connect app to check signal strength, pod health, and adjust placement if needed. If a device like a TV or console is near the pod, connect it using an Ethernet cable for a stronger wired connection. Next, press the WPS button on the pod for quick pairing with compatible devices. If the lights keep pushing or the pod doesn't work, restart it or use the app's built-in troubleshooting tools. The best results comes when the pod is placed exactly halfway between your router and the weak Wi-Fi area. Your device will automatically switch to whichever signal is stronger. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you guys value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.